First of all, what is a sitemap? A sitemap is a file which contains the URLs of all your web pages. So when Google crawls this sitemap file, it can see and follow links to the other pages on your website. There are plenty of online sitemap generators available, like xml-sitemaps.com, which will generate sitemaps for you. And there are also WordPress plugins like Yoast SEO which do the same thing. You now need to submit your sitemap to Google. Go to google.com/webmasters and sign up for a free Webmaster Tools account. This will take you to your search console. You need to add your website to this console, so click on Add a Property, type in the website's URL and click on Add. Then you will be asked to verify your ownership of this site. And the simplest way to do this is usually to click on the download link and download the HTML verification file, and then upload this to your web server. Once you have done this and Google has accepted your verification, your website will appear on your search console. Click on your site, click on the crawl link on the left hand side and click on Sitemaps. Then come over to the right hand side and click on the Add Test Sitemap button. Put in the name of your sitemap file, which typically will be something like sitemap.xml, and click Submit. Now when Google crawls your sitemap file, it will easily be able to access and index the rest of your web pages.